Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pass practice 3 of building level 3. So I'm going to click on building. Those two are passed. Here's practice 3. So beat the challenge. So use the code from practice number 2. Practice number 2 is this one up here, which is our using the mouse to control the robot. And memorize the robot to the left. Or the parts, paste the code. We don't actually have to paste the code because we're just going to use the code from this one. Since we're doing these in order, we don't have to do that. If instead you had done one of these other examples and then wanted to go back and redo practice 3, then you'd have to copy that code. Then click Update. In Challenges, complete the third challenge under Basics. Okay, so this is what we need to do. And these are not wheels, but actually rockets or thrusters. So we'll have to go to the robot store and get not wheels. So under actuators, things that allow us to move, we're going to need 2 thrusters. So I'll click the plus button twice to get 2 of them. Click checkout. Okay, now I need to remove these components. So I got to click this one and that one and get rid of those. Now I need to go back and switch this to move. This one of them goes here and the other one goes here. Again, if I move this one out quite a ways, the turning is going to be a little bit funky. So I'm going to leave it about like so. And then the motor ports are going to connect those up. So this goes there and this one goes there. Okay. So now I can click Update. Compile as successful. Go to Challenges. The third challenge is this one right here. And you can see that my queries are allowed. I've got the keyboard is actually allowed as well. I could use the keyboard if I wanted to. And use the mouse to control a robot with thrusters. Maybe I'm going to get rid of that one. Okay, but anyways, we're going to go to the challenge. And here the rockets are going to follow my mouse. You can see it's mostly turning forward. It's a little difficult to control. And we hit that one, and I got to come down here a little bit more. Oh, missed it. Missed it again. Okay, there I got it. So it's a little bit difficult to control. And the other thing is, if you have your robot move all the way to the side and it hits the wall, you're kind of done. Well, I think try not to hit the walls because you can get stuck. If you do get stuck and you can't get your robot unstuck, you'll have to go back and try the challenge again. Okay.